Fire, this is channel V8X. And what you're about to see is not just another SUV. This is a statement. This is power in motion. This is the new 2026 BMW X5, finished in a deep, aggressive red that doesn't ask for attention. It takes it. From the very first glance, the 2026 BMW X5 hits you with authority. This is not designed to blend in. This is built to dominate roads, minds, and emotions. That red paint isn't just a color. It's confidence. It's speed. It's luxury with attitude. Look at the front view. Those sharp LED headlights stare straight into your soul. The bold kidney grille doesn't whisper luxury. It roars it. This is the face of a machine that knows exactly what it is. And exactly who it's for. Now slide to the side profile. Clean lines. Muscular curves. Perfect proportions. This SUV looks fast even when it's standing still. And the rear view? Pure intimidation. Sleek LED taillights. Wide stance. A presence that tells everyone behind you. Move aside, something serious is coming through. Step inside the 2026 BMW X5. And everything changes. This dashboard isn't just technology. It's a command center. Premium leather. Ambient lighting. A curved digital display that feels like the future wrapped around you. Every button, every screen, every detail is designed to make you feel one thing. Control. Pop the hood. And there it is. The heart of the beast. Precision engineering. Raw performance. Smooth power that doesn't scream. It growls with confidence. This isn't built for shortcuts. It's built for drivers who demand everything. From a drone view, the BMW X5 owns the landscape. From above, it looks unstoppable. On the highway, it glides like a missile. Fast, smooth, focused. Every mile feels effortless. And at night, that red body under city lights. Glowing LEDs. Reflections on wet roads. This isn't driving. This is cinema on wheels. And let's talk numbers. The new 2026 BMW X5 is expected to start around the premium luxury SUV range. Price for those who understand that real power isn't cheap, and cheap is never powerful. This isn't about cost. It's about value, status, and experience. The 2026 BMW X5 in red isn't made for everyone. It's made for leaders. For risk takers. For people who don't follow trends. They set them. This SUV doesn't just take you places. It announces your arrival. Fire, this is channel V8X, where power meets passion. If you felt this machine, if you heard that roar, you already know. Subscribe. Stay aggressive. Stay legendary. This was the new 2026 BMW X5. Only on V8X. Collision Rocket.